Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to everyone. On behalf of the PMC Professionals Hub, I thank you all for joining us today in our very first introductory meeting. This meeting is a special moment for us as it marks the beginning of a journey where physiotherapists from different places come together to heal, learn, and grow. So today we will discuss about the main bodies and introduce them, share the mission and goals of PMC Professionals Hub, talk about opportunities for guest speakers and ambassadors, and discuss our future plans for seminars, webinars, and workshops. Your presence here means a lot because this hub is not just about us, it's about all of us growing together as a community. So, let's begin our session. First, I would like to introduce myself as the founder of PMC Professionals Hub, and then I will invite my co founder, physiotherapist Dr. Anam Shaheen, to continue. So, I hope you are all doing well. We are so happy to have you with us, and your presence means a lot. You are the ones who make the bond of the PMC Professionals Hub stronger. I want to warmly welcome each and every one of you to this special meeting of the PMC Professionals Hub. Your presence here is very important, and together we will create something meaningful for the physiotherapy community. Let me briefly introduce myself. I am Dr. Mariam Tahir, physiotherapist, a graduate of Doctor of Physiotherapy DPT from UMT University of Management and Technology. I am a registered member of HCPC and PPTA, certified in BLS, ACLS, and PALS, and currently working as a physiotherapist at Shifa Home Health and Palliative Care. Today, I am here not only as a professional but as someone who has reached this stage due to the endless support of my parents and teachers. My parents appreciated and encouraged me at every level of my education, and I truly love and respect them for being my biggest strength. My biggest inspiration is my father, my mentor, my guide, and protector in every challenge of life. After him, my husband, as he also been a great support, motivating me to face challenges and grow stronger. And above all, I am forever grateful to Allah Almighty for blessing me with this opportunity to serve and lead. So, now let us move to the background of the PMC Professionals Hub and its main bodies. The PMC stands for Physio Medical Clinic, the name I have chosen for my future clinic. The PMC Professionals Hub is an extension of this vision, a platform to unite physiotherapists, provide growth opportunities, and empower our community. The main bodies of PMC Professionals Hub are Founder or CEO Dr. Mariam Tahir, physiotherapist, as I am addressing you. Co-founder or executive Dr. Anam Shaheen, she is also physiotherapist. So, our mission in this hub is simple yet powerful. Organize online seminars, workshops, and webinars. Provide free e-certificates initially, then will be paid events after later. Enhance CVs, skills, and professional growth, build confidence, and create future job opportunities. In the future, when Physio Medical Clinic expands into a broad setup, first hiring priority will be given to PMC Professionals Hub members. This is our founder's vision, and inshallah, with your support, it will become a reality. I kindly request you all to share the Google form with your colleagues, classmates, friends, family, and social media circles so more female physiotherapists can join us. We already have international members, and with your presence, this community will expand worldwide, inshallah. So, thank you from my side, and now I would like to invite our co founder, Dr. Anam Shaheen, to continue. Dr. Anam Shaheen, kindly unmute your mic.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all as the co-founder executive of PMC Professionals Hub. First, I would like to thank each member who has joined this initiative. Your presence means a lot and shows that together we can create something powerful for our profession. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Dr. Anam Sherim, physiotherapist, and I am serving as the executive of this platform. As part of the main bodies, my role is to support in organizing sessions, coordinating activities, and ensuring that each one of you gets opportunities to participate, learn, and showcase your skills. One of the most exciting aspects of PMC is the guest speaker opportunity. Here, members can step forward to present in webinars, workshops, and seminars. This platform is created for you to help you build confidence, inspire others, and grow professionally. We also have planned to launch the PMC Ambassadors Program, where ambassadors will represent us in universities, hospitals, and clinics, helping us connect with more female physiotherapists globally. Before I close, I want to sincerely appreciate our founder, Dr. Mariam Tahir, physiotherapist, for taking this remarkable step to create a female only physiotherapy hub. Her vision of expanding this hub into a broad clinical step where our members will be given first priority in hiring is a promise of growth and opportunity for all of us. I encourage you all to spread the word by sharing our Google form with your colleagues, classmates, friends, family, and social media circles. With your support, this hub will not only grow in Pakistan but also expand internationally as we already have international candidates among us. Together, let's make this hub stronger. Thank you.
As we come to the end of today's introductory meeting, I would like to ask if anyone would like to share their thoughts, suggestions, or any other questions regarding this hub.
I wanted to take a minute and appreciate the initiative taken by Dr. Mariam. This initiative will provide us with many opportunities. I thank PMC Hub for providing female therapists with this wonderful platform. I wish you best of luck for the future. I hope this hub not only spread across Pakistan but inspire physiotherapists worldwide. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, PMC family. My name is Dr. Noreen Nazir, and I have done my bachelor's in Doctor of Physical Therapy from University of Management and Technology in 2022. And recently, I'm working as a female physiotherapist with the collaboration of a gynecologist in a clinic named as Tuman Family Clinic, Iqbal Road, Jamira. And I want to thank and appreciate our main bodies of PMC Professionals Hub, Dr. Mariam Tahir and Dr. Anam Shahreen, for their vision, passion, and leadership. You have planted a seed that will grow into an international movement for female physiotherapists. This hub is proof that when women come together, they create opportunities, strength, and change. Together, we will learn, heal, and grow, not just locally but globally. Inshallah. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings to everyone. My name is Tayyaba Abid and I have done TPT from UMT. I would like to take a moment to sincerely appreciate all of you for being here and for giving such a positive response to this introduction meeting of the PMC Professional Hub. Your encouragement and active participation show that we are truly on the right path. A very special appreciation goes to our main bodies, our CEO, Dr. Mariam Tahir, DPT, and our executive Dr. Anam Shahreen, PT. Your effort, vision, and dedication to building this exclusive platform for female physiotherapists are highly commendable. You have not only created a hub for learning and growth, but also given us a place where we feel empowered, connected, and inspired. With such a strong leadership and support for passionate members, I am confident that the PMC Professional Hub will continue to grow and very soon it will spread internationally, giving opportunities to the female physiotherapists across the global. Together, we are creating a society that will empower, educate, and uplift women in physiotherapy. Inshallah, this is just the beginning of the journey towards something very big. Thank you to all the teammates once again for your positivity, encouragement, and energy. Let's continue to learn, heal, grow together.
So, thank you all. Your input means a lot. And I sincerely thanks each and every one of you for joining us today. Your presence made this session meaningful. Together, we will continue to learn, heal, and grow. Stay connected, stay motivated, and we will look forward to seeing you in our upcoming sessions, inshallah. Take care and Allah Hafiz.